All right, what is up, guys? Coming back to you with another daily video. I came across this article. I really wanted to share this with you because I think something cool is in the works, and I wanted you guys to be ahead of the curve. So this article came out yesterday, November 13th, as you can see, but it's titled "Big Money is Coming to Bitcoin." Ex Fortress executive Novogratz. I'm not going to read you this entire article. It's a 6-minute read. I could do that, but I wanted to point out a few points. So just a quick introduction, I guess, to this article and the key points that I want you guys to take away. So it says New York Reuters, Mike Novogratz, I think I'm pronouncing that right, the former macro hedge fund manager at Fortress Investment Group, who has joined the mad dash for cryptocurrencies, said on Monday that mainstream institutional investors are about 6 to 8 months from adopting Bitcoin. Now, pretty cool. This is where it gets really cool. So Novogratz said he expects major financial firms will soon start to offer Bitcoin or similar products as an investment option, one that could be easily purchased over the phone. A turning point product from a big financial firm could arrive within 6 months, he said, though he declined to name a specific company. That's really interesting. Okay, so he obviously this dude's got a lot of money. He's a billionaire, runs a hedge fund, right? And he's in this article, he's basically said a turning point product from a big financial firm could arrive within 6 months, though he didn't say exactly who that was. Now it gets even better. When it's that easy, the price of Bitcoin or Ethereum is going to go much higher. Okay, so basically what he's saying, when it's easy to use that as a form of currency, these two, Bitcoin and Ethereum, if they offer that as a payment method, is going to make it easy to purchase, and people are going to want more of it, right? So they're going to use that as a form of currency. It's a lot closer than people think, said Novogratz, who spoke at Reuters Global 2018 Investment Outlook Summit in New York. So that's all I'm going to read for you guys. You can check out this article. I'll link to it in the description below. This dude's got a lot of money. He's the chief executive of Galaxy Investment Partners. He basically bets on cryptocurrencies. Yeah, it's in his best interest to kind of put out articles like this, but I mean, let's face it. You need some whales to move these prices, right? So he is definitely in the know on what's going on in the cryptocurrency world and basically where it's going, right? So that's kind of his job. So I just want to show you one thing, right? I'm over here on the coin market cap. Just refreshed. Okay, cool. So Bitcoin market cap 108 billion. Ethereum number 2, 31 billion dollar market cap. Let's check this out because this is really interesting. Let me get rid of this ad. So we got up 5% today, and we're down 0.29 today on Bitcoin. Bitcoin Cash is definitely still ramping up. That whole debacle going on between Bitcoin and Bitcoin Cash is still rearing its ugly head. So you're going to see a lot of volatility between those two. But let's check out Ethereum. $331. So here's the chart for Ethereum. Okay, this is really interesting, right? This is in my opinion, a really smart play. Not yet, right? Not yet, but I think this is a very smart play. So we could see this double top to happen right here, right? Right about the $373 mark, right? We are making this flag up here. And I think, guys, we're getting ready to break through this. And if we break through this double top, it's smooth sailing. It is a meteoric rise similar to the one that we saw with Bitcoin. Let me just take a look at Bitcoin's. You see this rise, this meteoric rise, went absolutely parabolic. That's what we can. I'm not saying it's going to go to 8,000, but the jump in price can do that, right? So like these kind of swings upward over a very short amount of time is very possible with Ethereum. So let's just go back to Ethereum really quick. I think, guys, if we break this, guys, I think it's smooth sailing to easy 1,000. All right, and that's a lot of take my investment advice with a grain of salt. But guys, I studied charts, and I'm trading these coins along with you guys. So I will definitely be watching this one extremely close because we are right there. We're not too far off. $332. we're extremely close, about 50 bucks off. If we break that, guys, my prediction is we're going to 1,000. So just wanted you guys, in the know, give you a little bit of a heads up that this is kind of what I'm looking at. If you want to get in as well, like I said, don't take this as investment advice. This is just my opinion, what I'm sharing with you guys. But as we saw with Bitcoin, if I quickly go back, I mean, once you break through highs, let's look at all time. Once you break into new territory, like right here, let's say once this broke from here, it went from 3,100 to 4,000, right? And then when this broke 4,000, we went from 4,000 all the way up to 7.5. Okay, so I mean, once you break out and it's smooth sailing, there's blue skies ahead of you. I mean, there's no telling where this thing can go. My prediction, as I'm saying, is I think it's going to be 1,000. When that could happen, I'm not sure. Could it happen in the month of November? I don't know. I don't think it'll go to 1,000 in November, but I think it's possible that we can break that 380 mark in November. Right? We have about 2 weeks left in the month. Possibly in December we could break it too. You just don't know. If I go back to Ethereum, right? If I put the Bitcoin chart up against it, this orange chart is Bitcoin, you can kind of see that these are going away from each other, right? So if Bitcoin continues to go down, I'm not saying it is going to do that. I'm just saying if it does continue going in that direction, Ethereum might continue breaking away from that, right? So the charts kind of oppose one another. So just another play for you guys. That this is one that I'll be keeping a very close eye on in the coming days and weeks. And once it breaks, I'm going to be going all in. So I want to make that trade and see where it takes us. So let's see. What else I have to show you guys today? This is an update for BitConnect. Obviously, I want Bitcoin to do well. This is basically what I've been doing for the last 27 days. This is day 27 day update. So I quickly go to my transaction. You can see it's $629 in my lending wallet. If I go to lending wallet, you can see my daily profits. Boom, 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 boom. These are all daily profits. I have 2 lends going on right now, one for $5,000, one for $1,000. If you guys are curious about what I'm doing, just click the link in the description below. You can get yourself an account with BitConnect and start lending your money as well. But basically, we're making a percentage on our a certain percentage based on the volatility of Bitcoin every single day. And it's on average making us about 1% a day, right? So like I said, I have 2 loans. So this one made me 1.96 yesterday, almost 2%. And this one made me 1.86 this loan. So on average, man, the last 5 days have been sweet. Just check this out, guys. Look, this is the 13th. This is the 14th. This is the 12th. We're going backwards. The 12th. This is the 11th. This is the again, I have 2 investments going. This is the 10th, the 9th, and the 8th, and the 7th. So the last, I don't know, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Man, the last week almost, we've had over 1% days. Crazy. So if you're looking to earn this kind of daily profit that's completely passive, just check out the link in the description below. Get yourself a BitConnect account and sign up there. But this video is about Ethereum. Like I said, I wanted to keep up daily updates, but this is definitely, like I said, what I'm keeping my eye on and what I will be investing heavily in if it does break these double tops right here. So that's my daily video for you guys today. If you have any questions, leave a comment in the description. Subscribe to my channel, guys. I'm putting out a daily video every single day. Like the video if this provided any value to you. So I can continue growing this channel and reaching new audiences. It's really, I really appreciate it. It's very helpful. So leave a like, leave a comment, definitely subscribe to the channel so I can keep doing these daily updates videos for you guys, and you can be, in the know with things like this as they come through. So that's it for today, guys, and I will talk to you in tomorrow's video.